Hey everybody, welcome to RIOT. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Black Series Luke Skywalker X-Wing helmet, the Red 5 helmet from Episode 4, Star Wars. I've always wanted the X-Wing pilot, the Red 5, and they just came out with it from the Black Series. I'm going to do an unboxing of that now. But before we get started, I'm just going to say welcome to the channel. This channel is pretty much everything I'm involved in, like music, guitar, my recording studio, cinematography, video production, behind the scenes things, movie reviews, cool toy things that I'm going to use, stop motion animation, just everything I've done for years. Also, once in a while, as I trade stocks on the side, I'll give you some stock trading tips. Not what to buy, but just how to trade stocks. I love so many things, and the big thing is always like, what should I have my channel about? Well, I love everything. I'll even have stuff on technology sometimes. I'm going to be doing a new iPhone unboxing when it gets here. I was going to get the iPhone 11 Pro, but I decided let's just go with the iPhone 11, and I'll tell you why when that video hits. Subscribe and stay tuned. Give the video a like. There's more on tech and gear, nerd stuff, along with cool things like this. By the way, we're working on a Star Wars film that takes place pre-Episode 4, like 10 years, 15 years before Episode 4. And that's where this comes into play. I was going to make my own Red 5 helmet, but you know what? I just don't have the time, and I'd rather work on filming and editing the production. So I put money down on this guy a year ago, and it just came in. I just got it yesterday. I got the call saying it arrived. So you can get this in stores or online. I'm sure I'll find a link. I'll put it in the video description to Amazon where I get all my stuff. I love Amazon. You don't have to go to the stores and deal with people. So this is the Star Wars Black Series Luke Skywalker Red 5 helmet. Now it's got some things in here that I didn't realize that it has, and I wasn't looking for features. I just needed a helmet to film our movie with. That, by the way, was a clip from the film we're working on. It's going to be better than Disney, by the way, in case you didn't notice. Special shout out to Thomas, who did all the CG animation, the best CG animator I've ever worked with or have ever seen. This helmet has, I'm going to read it off the box because I wasn't familiar with these features. Synchronized LED lights and 3 speakers create an immersive battle simulation experience featuring enemy blaster fire effects and communications from R2-D2. That's pretty cool. So in here you've got speakers in the headsets, the earphones, and you've got all those sound blasts, and I wonder what that's going to sound like. I don't know. If there's batteries in here, I'll try it. There's speakers in the left, the front, and in the right. Does it say anything more? It says Battle Simulation Helmet. Interesting. 3 internal speakers for surround sound experience. Oh, the batteries aren't included. You need 3 AA's, and I don't have AA's. And I'll let you guys know in another video. But again, it's just for the looks. It's also got red LEDs on it, on the sides there. Alright, so let's open this guy up. Oh, that looks pretty cool. You guys are going to see it before I do. So this is going to be used, as I said, in our Star Wars film. I'm really looking forward to it. Oh wow, it's got the padding inside. Like what they had in the film. Look at that. That's so cool. The chin strap. Oh, you press the buttons on the helmet. There's a button right here for R2-D2 sound effects. It's got a little battle worn damage. This is going to look awesome. So it's got different sound effects for Yavin and Hoth battle sounds. Pretty cool. So it's got instructions on where to put these inside. Got little snap buttons for the chin guard. Just go right inside. You're just going to snap inside the helmet. It's not too Velcro-y, if that's a word, but just enough to keep that soft tan pad in place. This is really cool. Wow, that's going to be really comfortable. The visor, can it come out? I don't want to break it. I'm sure it does, but I'm just going to leave it in. Let's put this on. Wow, it's really comfortable. You can see out of it really nice too. Red 5 standing by. What a dork. This is really comfortable. Hopefully it looks pretty cool. Red Leader. Luke, you've turned off your targeting computer. What's wrong? I'm fine. Nothing to worry about. It's fine. Look, I know you guys put a lot of effort into stealing those plans, and I know you're all relying on me, but I don't need a targeting computer. It's fine. We'll be fine. Can you imagine that? After Rogue One, after all the hell that everybody went through to steal those plans, and everybody who died, and Vader just killed everybody at the end, and all your X-Wing fighters are dead. You're relying on one guy, Luke, and he turns off his targeting computer to use the Force, something he hasn't been trained in, and most people back home, they don't even know what the Force is, and he's like, it'll be fine. Dude, really? Turn on your damn computer. This is really neat. This is going to look great. Hopefully it looks great. So anyway, this is the Star Wars Black Series Red 5 Luke Skywalker helmet. We're going to be using this in the film that we're working on. We're going to have, spoiler alert, we're going to have Vader in it. We're going to have a young Luke Skywalker in it, and that's all I can tell you, because it happens, 15 years roughly before Episode 4 takes place. So it's before Rogue One. I mean, Rogue One is like pretty much happening a couple days or a couple weeks before Episode 4. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of the helmet. Check out the video description. I'll find it and I'll put it in the video description so you can get it. I think this was about 120 bucks. Totally worth it. This doesn't feel cheap at all. It's really comfortable. The Stormtrooper helmets, they come, the couple that I have, the movie accurate ones, they don't have the padding inside. It's just plastic. And it's comfortable, but it just kind of balances on your head. This is really nice, thick, plush, 1.5 inch thick, round parts for your ears, and a top part for the top of the head. Without that, it may hurt. But, too bad there's no batteries. I bet it's going to sound great, because the speakers are like right over my ears with the cushion parts. So anyway, we'll keep you posted. Subscribe. We'll keep you posted on the film that we're working on, the Star Wars film. Thomas has a lot of things created, a lot of things rendered. We've got more to film, but we hope to get that out soon. We've got the parts now to film. I got this. Got to get the jumpsuit and everything so we can film the interior cockpit scenes, and it's going to be cool. It's going to be great. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.